Hi everyone, my name is Alan Ackmann and welcome to my course, Understanding and Appreciating Differences in Others. I'm a professor and administrator at DePaul University in Chicago. In recent decades, businesses have seen a wonderful expansion of the workforce as people of all backgrounds, cultures, and inclinations often come together in the same organization. In this course, we're going to explore the range of ways in which coworkers are different than one another, and better understand how to anticipate, work within, and take advantage of these differences. Some of the major topics include the wide range of identities, backgrounds, and work habits you may encounter, how different perspectives increase innovation and reduce risk, the consequences of not respecting diversity or differences, and a set of personal and institutional strategies you can use. By the end of this course, you'll know more about the things that make us all different, as well as how to optimize those differences for increased group productivity and innovation. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about your coworkers and teammates with the Understanding and Appreciating Differences in Others course at Pluralsight.